In this example, we are subtracting several numbers. Actually, we're also adding, kind of like in the previous video where we looked at adding multiple numbers. Well, the first step when you subtract, you have a combination of addition and subtraction, is just use what we know to transform every subtraction problem into an addition problem. So we can begin here, since it's minus a negative 19, taking away a negative is the same as gaining that amount. And then that one was already plus, so we leave it as is. And then taking away 6 is the same as gaining a negative 6. So we begin by changing everything from subtraction over to addition. And then we can just follow the same idea as before with addition. Pair up all your negative numbers, pair up all your positive numbers. And then we can add them up. Negative 21, negative 16, and negative 6 will add up to be negative 43. And then again, in this case, we have just the one positive number, so it's plus 19. And then we just follow our rules for arithmetic. Negative 43 plus 19. We're adding, they have different signs, so we do their difference. Negative 43 minus 19 is 24, and then we would keep the common sign. Keep the common sign. So it's negative 24. Consider our next example here. We have 13 minus 10 plus a negative 4 minus 12 minus 15. Once again, we just want to take each one of our subtractions and change it to addition. So 13 minus 10 we could rewrite as plus a negative 10. The next one is already plus, so we leave it as it was. And then we have minus 12, which would be the same as plus negative 12, and minus 15, which is the same as plus negative 15. And at this point, just like we did before, we match up all of our positive and negative numbers once it's an addition problem. Alright, once we have an addition problem, so here I've underlined all my negatives, and I have again just the one positive number, so I kind of leave him on his own, 13, and that's going to be plus, and then we add up negative 10, negative 4, negative 12, and negative 15. So to do that, we just add 10, 4, 12, and 15, which will be negative 41. Okay, and then we just go ahead and perform our rules for adding signed numbers. They have different signs, so we'll do their difference. 41 minus 13 is 28. Because the 41 is bigger, we keep the negative sign.